Hi, welcome back to my channel. So you want to learn how to risk nothing and earn everything through the Brambila Method? Hi, that's what we're going to talk about today. My name is Brett Copy. I am the passive income creator, and we're going to do a day-by-day sneak peek into the training that you can expect should you want to try the Brambila Method. I have a kind of an inside look because I am one of 100 beta testers, and we were able to go through the course prior to its release. Adrian Brambila wanted to make sure that everything was perfect and very teachable to the general public. And I'm happy to say we got through that process no problem at all, and it's been out and running for several months now to the benefit of a lot of people out there. So if you're ready to go day by day, let's get right into it. We're going to start with the introduction from Adrian and then finish all the way from day 1 to day 8. So let's go. Okay, what you're looking at here is the training room from the Brambila Method. Like, just as if you were to purchase the course itself, this is what you would see. And first off, you notice a theme, right? This is El Muerte, I believe is what they call it. And it comes from Mexican roots. And there's a reason behind that. And it's part of the introduction that Adrian kicks off this whole training with here. What we're going to do is we're going to cover the introduction in this piece. And then you can see over here to the left, that you have day 1 through 8. You have some bonuses and early access opportunities down below after your training. So Adrian, as you can see, the theme is of Hispanic descent, particularly Mexico. And that's where his introduction starts. He introduces himself and then his kind of the reasoning behind why he got into affiliate marketing and the selling the way he is selling now. And he attributes that to his grandmother. His grandmother used to, living in Mexico, had to provide for her family. And in order to do so, she would buy products around town, around where she lived in a village there in Mexico, travel to a larger city, set up shop and sell those products for a profit, come all the way back and do the thing over and over, rinse and repeat, right? Eventually, it led to being able to have her family migrate to the United States. And Adrian attributes his success. And remember, he's an 8-figure earner on affiliate marketing. So he knows what he's talking about, and he attributes his success to his grandmother. So let's get into day 1. And it's a great introduction, by the way. Take the time to look at this video that you have here up front. So let's get into day 1. All right, as I talk about the days, I want to set this up. The day 1 through 4 is all about you, your skill set, and what you have to offer just Joe Public out there. It's also about making money without having to spend money. The first 4 days of this training, you can go out and create these accounts that he teaches you how to do and start making profit right away with not spending another dime out of your pocket. And that's part of the beauty behind the Brambila Method and why it says risk nothing, earn everything. Okay, so let's get into day 1. Day 1 is about Fiverr and the opportunities that lie within Fiverr. So you might think to yourself, well, what do I have to offer Fiverr? I don't know how to teach people to do things. And that might be true, but I think if you stretch yourself, you might be able to come up with some great ideas. An opportunity that's something you might want to think about is something like maybe voiceovers. There's plenty of people in our group, in our beta test group, that has started out just doing voiceovers, and they're making $50, $100, $250, $300 pretty consistently just doing voiceovers. And really anybody can do that with a microphone and a computer, right? So he'll go into the kind of the overview and the strategy of why Fiverr. He'll prove why that is really the course you want to take, or the direction you want to take rather. And then he invites a celebrity super affiliate who she goes into detail on what she has done through Fiverr, and she is a 6-figure earner, close to 7-figure earner on just Fiverr. So it's possible, and you can do this all with no money out of your pocket. All right, day 2 is all about taking a certain skill set that you may possess. Let's say you are a carpenter and you go home and you build furniture maybe in your pastime, after you get off of work or something, and it's a hobby of yours. Well, you can actually record yourself doing that and doing it in a way that you're instructing people, like you have someone looking over your shoulder, record it, and you can upload that to websites like called Udemy or Skillshare, right? Now, these are sites that you can create an account, absolutely no money out of your pocket, record your video, upload it, put a price on it, $9.99, $29.99, $59.99. You're going to have to set the pace for that, but and understand what your, I guess, your expertise is worth. But you'll find that sweet spot. I mean, if you set a price doesn't sell, then maybe you have to drop it down a little bit. But ultimately, once you create that particular video and load it up to these websites, Skillshare or Udemy, it's there for life. And that's called passive income. So in a sense, you're creating a everlasting source of income for you. As long as that's up there, and as long as you have a bank account to take the money from the people who are buying it, the course off of Udemy or Skillshare, you're going to have passive income. He's going to prove this proof of concept on a video here, and it kind of tells you kind of walks you through why this is important and how it's all going to tie in together with day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So it's an outstanding opportunity for a lot of people out there who possess some certain skill set that can be shared out there and you can make money. Day 3 is about a website called Upwork. Now, this is something that if you are already in a full-time job and you want to make money, additional money on the side as you continue with your full-time job, as you can do with any one of these training courses, day 1, 2, and 3 so far, you can work as a side hustle, basically. And that's what this is all about. The antithesis of this course is having side hustles that you don't have to spend any additional money on. So in day 3, it's about a website called Upwork. Now, Upwork is unique because it is a website where employers or prospective employers will go out and look for people who want to work from home, basically. And you go to Upwork, you load up your information, just kind of like you fill out what looks to be like a job application. You put all your skill set on there, kind of your experience, what you could do. Find what your niche is. If it is it administration, is it management, is it sales? You understand what I'm saying. And then that is uploaded to the website, and people who need those experiences, or you can search yourself and apply for a particular job. So let's say there's an employer out there that has, let's say, 60 hours worth of work, and they're willing to pay you $30 an hour in order for that work to be accomplished. And they give you the latitude of completing it at your pace, or they might even have a deadline that they want to stick within. But they'll pay you $30 an hour regardless. You guys make the agreement, and therefore you will go online, complete their work, and you get paid $30 an hour for it. And that is what Upwork is all about, using your skill set, your experiences, and profit from that. Now, after myself working for 40 years, I was a little bit hesitant on this, but my wife, who works full time, she wanted to make additional money for things like Christmas and the such. So she uploaded her skill set, and she can work regularly, making $25, $30 an hour, providing companies with a lot of administrative work that they need done. So it's a great opportunity for you if you just want to kind of take what you know, team up with a company out there, work from the privacy of your own home, and earn money. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Well, until you can leave your job, that is. All right, day 4 is something that gets a lot of people excited because essentially you can create your own virtual shops, right? And it's called print on demand. And there are probably 8 or 9 or even more websites out there that you can take an idea, a symbol, a product, something that you created, or even through a website called Canva, you can create your own logos. And then you can take that idea and you can put them on products. So for instance, this is Redbubble. This is one of the areas that you can essentially create a logo or a print or something. Let's say like this VW bus lookalike, and you wanted to create T-shirts out of that. You can take that logo and create a different types of T-shirts, V-neck, crew neck, sleeveless. You get the picture, and make your own product on that and create your store, basically your virtual store, drive traffic to it, and create an income that way. So that's what print on demand is. And you can do that through, let's do the math here real quick. Let's say you sign up to the 8 different websites you have on there. Most of those websites, you can take one product and create up to 20, if not more, 20 different types of items like pillowcases, blankets, t-shirts, hats, trinkets. You do that 20 times per website. And now, instead of just having one idea out there, you have 8 times 20, right? So you have several hundred ideas out there in the virtual space that all can be out there making you money. And it's called print on demand. A lot of people get real excited about this because it takes their own creativity. Get on a website like Canva and create your own logos or your own statements, sayings, pictures, whatever it is you want to put on any of the products, and you can make money doing so. And you can set your own price. Yes, those individual websites will take a percentage, but it is kind of a sharing, so to speak. It's a very minor percent, and you get what's left over. And it can be, let's say, a T-shirt that you're charging $22 for, you can probably make $7, $8, $9 for after expenses. I'd trade that all day long. Day 5 and 6 kind of go hand in hand because it's about affiliate marketing. And if you've never heard affiliate marketing, it's basically selling someone else's product for a percentage that they'll pay you. For instance, if you go to a website like bestbuy.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see that there's an affiliate program. You can sign up for that affiliate program. And let's say you see a TV on bestbuy.com that you want to sell. You can take that link that they would provide you as an affiliate marketer and put it out there in the internet, maybe on your social media, maybe on Facebook Marketplace. Pinterest is another area that people are posting to. And if someone looks at your post and say, hey, I like that TV, they click on it, and that takes them to bestbuy.com. Now that, when they click on it, that's associated to you. So if they buy that product, then you get a percentage of the sale. And that essentially, in a nutshell, is affiliate marketing. And that's kind of the nuts and bolts of what Adrian does and how he's become an 8-figure earner. He sells virtually every product underneath the sun. And every time he sells something like that, he gets a percentage of the product. And that's affiliate marketing. In day 7, it's more about leveraging your expertise and kind of get people to buy into you, to know, like, and trust you, right? That's when it comes down to, is to get people to know, like, and trust you. And a great way to do that are through websites like Facebook, anywhere that you can have a social media presence and talk about opportunities, maybe what you learned in this course. And as you do that, people are going to join your group, and that group is going to grow. And then let's say you've grew it to 1,000 people, and maybe an opportunity comes down your way, and you say that you'd get paid, I don't know, let's say $50 for every time you sold this whatever item. And then you go out to your group and go, hey, listen, this may not be for everybody, but I found this very helpful in my business. And tell them a little bit about it and say, if you're interested, hey, just check this out, right? So now these people already know, like, and trust you. So they're going to, at least they're going to give you the opportunity, and they're going to click on that link. Some of them are going to go, you know what, that's not for me. But some of them might go, hey, this is exactly what I'm looking for. And that's the benefit of growing a social media group like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest is a huge one, and I think underdeveloped one. Pinterest is a huge opportunity. And there are going to be more down the road. TikTok is one, massive one right now. So that's what he's talking about in day 7, about leveraging the community out there, the social community out there in the cyber world. All right, day 8 is a pretty exciting day for a couple of reasons. One, you can see down here in day 8, there's question marks. And the reason why that is because Adrian wants you to prove to him that you've taken action. Because without action, you're never going to go anywhere, right? You're just going to be stuck, stymied, and swimming in mud, right? So he's going to want you to prove to him, let's say you opened up a Fiverr account and you've created a gig. You take a screenshot of that, you send it in, and that opens up day 8. Now, here's why you want that to happen, because day 8 is pretty cool. Day 8 is about retail arbitrage. And you're going, well, what the world is that? In a nutshell, it's like taking a product and selling it on Amazon. I would say selling on places like Amazon, but let's face it, Amazon's the king, right? So, and I'll give you an example, like this light ring I have here in front of me. I think, in my personal opinion, that as we move forward in this cyber world, that's fast becoming the metaverse, ring lights are going to be huge, if not already big. You could source a ring light on places like Alibaba.com, buy them for, let's say, $10, and then you set up an account on Amazon, set up your what do you call it, the retail account on Amazon, and once approved, you can take that light, put it on your own little website, the Amazon website, and then drive traffic to it. And then whatever it is, let's say that cost you $10 to buy, you could sell it for, let's say, $40, and you make the difference. And that is retail arbitrage. And he invites a super affiliate on board her name is Little Mo, and she is a 7-figure earner in retail arbitrage through Amazon. So it's important that you unlock day 8 by proving up here day 1 through 4 that you've taken action, and showing Adrian that you're serious about making money and that you want to improve your life. And then he unlocks that, and then you get to learn about retail arbitrage. And the rest of it are bonuses that you get. It's like a quick start guide for affiliate marketing, and text to you all about what you need to really essentially get an affiliate marketing side hustle going. And then you have access to some live calls that we've had as a beta test group, and early access training that is an opportunity for you, and you can, you'll read about that if you get this course. If you want my opinion, I think this course is perfect for people who are just looking to make some extra money, maybe not be real serious about leaving their job, but maybe they want some extra money for Christmas or upcoming events. Maybe someone's getting married in their family, and you want to have money to set that up, or vacations or anything like that. This is a great opportunity because, like I said, in the first 4 days, you can really earn money without spending a dime. Once you get into affiliate marketing, there is an expense because there are software programs out there that really make it a lot easier to be an affiliate marketer. So day 1 through 4, absolutely make money without having to spend money. And it's true. This is no BS that Adrian puts out there. You certainly can do it. You just have to take action, because without your action, you will never go anywhere in the cyber world if that's what you're looking to do to make an additional income. So I hope you guys benefit from this review. I think there's a great opportunity for people who just want to make some extra side money. Or if you want to get into affiliate marketing, there is an expense, but you certainly can make a lot more money, in my opinion, in affiliate marketing than doing the side hustles in the first 4 days. I'd be looking forward to you guys visiting me again. Thank you so much for taking the time. And if you're interested in the Brambila Method, I have it pinned in the comments below, and I appreciate your time.